Hi, hello, my dear students. Welcome to our channel Rajesh Biology, and I'm Rajesh MSc Zoology. So today our topic is a zoology grand test on the full syllabus class 11th and class 12th, and still we have 20 days left. Sorry for the last 2 days, I'm not able to conduct the live. Come to the today's session. First, let me check is our session is started or not, and is my voice is clear or not first. Yeah, session is just started now. Yeah, Gnaneshwari, good evening. Welcome to the session. And thanks to the students who are already given the like button. The students who are So the session is just started and my voice is also clear. Without any late, let's dive into the session. And last 2-3 days లో మనకి లైవ్ కండక్ట్ చేయడం కుదరలేదు because of some issues. But from today onwards, there is a live session evening at 7 o'clock regularly. If possible, I'll try to conduct the live session morning times also. Like morning 6 to 7 or 7 to 8 at the time also, I'll try to conduct the live session. Per day, 2 tests, like botany if morning, zoology evening, like that. Because there is very less time is there. Just want to cover most of the questions. Of course, the entire syllabus is covered. Chapter wise is completed and NCERT book wise is completed. Now some cumulative grand tests for our practice I'm going to conduct. Yeah, Radha, good evening. And Radha Lakkaraju, I think Bava. Good evening. Good evening to all of you. And so we have a app, Rajesh Biology. It is available in Google Play Store and you can download. In this app, I'm going to provide you so many free courses and free tests, free study material for all. Along with that, few courses and a few tests are paid. So the students who are interested, they can pay and they can attend the tests, which are very valuable. So now come to the first question. Choanocytes are also known as what? Choanocytes are also known as what? Collar cells, nidoblast cells, flame cells, lasso cells. Nidoblast cells you are saying, right, Gnaneshwari? But actually nidoblast cells are present in the nidaria. Okay, but collar cells means which have the collar-like structure. Like this, it is the collar. So these are also called choanocytes. And yes, correct, collar cells. Choanoflagellate, euglena type of structure it look like. Next question, second question. Which of the following phylum shows polymorphism? Which of the following? Yeah, Sai Prasanna, good evening. Very good evening, Sai Prasanna. Welcome. Try to answer this question. Which of the following phylum shows polymorphism? Second question. Polymorphism means two different forms, more than one different form it has in its life cycle. That is called polymorphism. Yeah, Gnaneshwari says platyhelminthes, but no, metagenesis is actually the polymorphism we can say. One is medulla form, another one is polyp form. So we can observe that in Coelenterata. Yeah, very good. No, rather Lakaraju, it is a second option. Come to the third. The notochord is formed on which side of the body during embryonic development? Notochord, which is a characteristic feature of the phylum Chordata, that is formed on which side during the embryonic development. Embryonic development time lo ఏ side అది ఫామ్ అవుతుంది? Dorsal side or ventral side, lateral side or bilateral side? Yeah, Praveen, good evening, welcome. Yeah, Jnaneshwari says ventral side. It is called ventral sternum. And back is called dorsal. Okay, dorsal vertebra. Now tell me on which side notochord is there? Lateral means this. Bilateral is actually the symmetry. Yeah, Mr. Praveen, you are correct. Dorsal side. Notochord is present on the dorsal side. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. But don't guess as the fourth one is 4. Okay. Tentacles of ctenophore contains. Tentacles of ctenophores contains what? Tentacles of ctenophores contains. Yeah, Praveen, nidoblast cells you are saying. Nidoblast cells are present, but in nidaria. Tentacles have the nidoblast cells, okay, but that is present in nidaria. But I am asking about the ctenophore contains what? Ctenophore contains colloblast cells. Statocyst, Gnaneshwari, it is present in arthropoda types of animals for the body balance. Okay, so the right answer is colloblast cells. No problem. Come to the fifth question. Yes. Hydra is Hydra is what? Freshwater form, radially symmetrical and diploblastic, or marine form, radially symmetrical and diploblastic. Freshwater form, bilaterally symmetrical and diploblastic, marine, radially symmetrical and triploblastic. One should remember that triploblastic are not radial symmetrical. Okay. And diploblastic are not radially symmetrical. Okay. Now come to here. Visit freshwater or marine water. Hydra is a freshwater organism and it is radially symmetrical and it is diploblastic. Freshwater form, radially symmetrical and diploblastic. I've already told you diploblastic is not bilaterally symmetrical. Diploblastic is radially symmetrical, correct only. Okay. So if we erase all these, it is a radially symmetrical form and diploblastic. Diploblastic is always radial symmetrical. There is no bilateral symmetry in the diploblastic animals. Come to the sixth question. Yeah, the junction that helps to stop substances leaking is the junction that helps to stop the substances leaking. The junction that help to stop substances from leaking. Which junction? Which prevents the leakages? It is first year question, very important. There is three different types of junctions are there and every junction have their specific function. So which junction helps to prevent the leakages? Yeah, sixth one, Jnaneshwari, right? Tight junctions. Tight junctions only, there is no more gap junctions for in our life. Come to the seventh question. Endothelium lining of blood vessel is formed of. Endothelium lining of blood vessel. Yes, correct, Naneshwari and Praveen. Endothelium lining of blood vessel is formed of ciliated, columnar, cuboidal, simple squamous. Ciliated, columnar, cuboidal, or simple squamous epithelium, which forms the endothelium of blood capillaries. Ciliated is not there. No, Gnaneshwar, it is wrong. Endothelium don't has the any cilium. Okay. Mr. Praveen also says that ciliated. No, actually it is a simple squamous epithelium. Remember, simple squamous is for the diffusion. Okay. The endothelium helps in the diffusion of oxygen, carbon dioxide at the site of alveoli, nutrients and excretory products at the site of tissues. Diffusion takes place. And you already know simple squamous epithelium is a diffusion membrane, pavement epithelium. Yes, correct. Sai Prasanna, very good. Come to the eighth question. Stratified, non-keratinized squamous epithelium covers. Stratified, non-keratinized. No problem. You can easily say based on the type of epithelium. Don't confuse at the time of exams. If there is any confusions, please let me know. I'll try to clarify all your doubts. Okay. Eighth one, the right answer is one only. Moist surface, because it is non-keratinized, right? Very good, Praveen. It is non-keratinized, so automatically it is moist. Our skin, it is keratinized, that's why it is rough. Come to the ninth question. Keratin is a rough protein. Ninth question. Goblet cells are found in. Goblet cells are found in where? Rectum, anus, stomach, buccal cavity. Goblet cells are the cells which secrete some enzymes, unicellular glands. Goblet cells are the examples of unicellular glands. Here they didn't mention the intestine. So the very good Radha Lakraju, right? It is stomach. But it is better to mention the question number also. Now come to the 10th question. Sorry, I didn't mention the question number here. 10th question and 11th question. Both are correct actually. Goblet cells is a unicellular gland, we just discussed. Pancreas is a compound gland. Okay, both are correct. But pancreas, because of pancreas compound gland, goblet cells are not unicellular. That means it is not a correct explanation. Both are correct, or is not the correct explanation of assertion. Yes, 10th 4, right, very good. Come to the 11th question. Which of the following are drugs? Which of the following are drugs? Abrin, ricin, morphine, codeine, and vinblastine, curcumin, rubber, and gums. Yeah, morphine and codeine is not a drug. Morphine is a drug, okay, correct. But codeine is not a drug. And here, vinblastine. Cocaine. If it is cocaine, you can select the two. Morphine and cocaine are the drugs. It is not cocaine they give. They give the codeine to confuse you. Vinblastine and curcumin, these are the drugs. One is to treat the cancer, another one is to treat some bacterial diseases also. So come to here. Two questions are there. Here it is the 12th question and 13th question. Biomolecule which cannot be considered as a polymer is, which is not considered as a polymer. Yes, 12th one Rubisco was saying. Let me check. Here it is biomolecule. So 12th question, right? Gingerly oil cannot be considered as a polymer. Cellulose, rubisco, and glycogen are polymers. Okay, so everybody says that rubisco, but the right answer is gingerly oil. Ginger. Okay, now come to the 13th. B. Okay, so now come to the 13th. 3 is the right answer. Come to the 14th question. Crypts of Liberkin are found in. Crypts of Liberkin are found in our app Rajesh Biology. There is no problem. Some materials are there. More than lakhs of questions are available in our app, and all these questions from the different chapters of the three different subjects: physics, chemistry, biology. In that biology, botany, zoology, NCRT first year and second year. Chapter wise questions are covered and all the materials are available in our app Rajesh Biology. It is very worthful and valuable. You should not, and you didn't feel regret after downloading this app. There is a plenty of material for our preparation, which is more than enough to crack the NEET in the first attempt. If you are joined in a first year, or if you are in the second year, from now onwards you can use this app for our practice. 14th, crypts of lubricant are found in intestine. Very good. The second one is the right answer. 15th question. And a chlorohydria. A chlorohydria is. Yeah, good evening, Pallavi. Welcome. A chlorohydria. And the name itself, it indicates A means absent. Chlorohydria is absent. That means non-secretion of HCl. It is a chlorohydria. Very good, Jnaneshwari. And come to the 16th question. Pantothenic acid is vitamin. Pantothenic acid is vitamin. You know the vitamin names? The pantothenic acid is nothing but the B5. Okay. Now come to the 17th question. Seventeenth question. In our app Rajesh Biology, there is topic wise weightage is available for the students for their preparation. It is based on the 2022 NEET examination paper. Within 20 days, 2023 NEET examination also going to conduct. And I was already posted a guessing paper for the NEET 2023 that is available in practice test. You can practice that test also. And based on the 2023 NEET examination also, we will prepare topic wise weightage. That is also I will upload in this. Come to the diffusion membrane is made up of what? It is made up of thin squamous epithelium of alveoli, endothelial lining of alveolar capillaries that surround it, and basement substance in between. Remember, wherever there is a epithelium, there is a basement membrane, because epi means upon. Upon what? Upon basement membrane it is there. That's why the tissue is called epithelial tissue. So all of these. Yes, correct, Praveen and Jnaneshwari. Very good. Come to the 18th question. Factors that affect rate of diffusion are. It is also very important. Previously discussed. Which factors influences or affect the diffusion? Solubility of gases. And you know, carbon dioxide has the greater solubility. That is the important bit from here. Solubility of gases. Partial pressure of gases. Remember, there is a two partial pressures for the carbon dioxide. In that box also, if you observe, 40 and 45 is there. 45 is present deoxygenated blood. 40 is present in oxygenated blood. 40 is present at the site of tissue, and 40 is present at the site of alveoli. So where there is more chances for the carbon dioxide, the partial pressure is 45. Okay, where there is less chances for the presence of carbon dioxide, the partial pressure is 40. If you remember these two values, you can simply learn the carbon dioxide partial pressures at different places. And not only that, 40 is the oxygen partial pressure also, where it is less. In deoxygenated blood, the partial pressure of oxygen is 40. Okay, and in tissue of prothrombin into thrombin, which of the following is required? Which is required for the conversion of prothrombin into thrombin? Fibrinogen, vitamin K, and proconvertin thrombokinase. Which is required? Yes, Jnaneshwari, you are right. Thrombokinase. Very important. Thrombokinase. Now come to the next question. The question number is 20. And 21. The question number 20 and 21. Yeah, Lallu Gundi. Welcome. Welcome, Lallu. Yes, 19th 4, right? Radha Lakraju, very good. And Chinnu, right? Come to the atrial systole. You know atrials, the receiving chambers. If that systole contains what? If they contract, what will happen? These are atria and these are ventricles. Between the atria, there is Between the atrium and ventricle there is a hole, and remember this hole is always open. So whenever it receives the blood, 70% blood directly enter into the ventricle, 70%. The remaining 30% flow increases by the atrial systole. Okay, so no Gnaneshwari, it is not option 1, it is option 3. Before atrial systole, 70% blood enter into the ventricles. Okay, what I am saying is that before the atrial systole. Later, the atrial systole increases the remaining 30% blood flow. Come to the 21st. Yes, correct, Chinnu. Very good. 21st question. All of the following are excreted through sebum, except all of the following are excreted through the sebum, except what? You know, sebum is nothing but the ear wax, what we are getting from our ears. Okay, earbud if you take and if you keep in your ear, some wax may be attached to that earbud. The remaining wax will be pushed into the ear. Okay, don't use that type of earbuds. That is not good for the ear health. Now come to here, the sodium chloride, excellent Radha Lakhraju. NaCl is not excreted through the sebum. Except the NaCl, hydrocarbons, sterols, and waxes are excreted. Is correct. Pallavi, welcome. No, it is not 3, it is 4. Come to the, yes, 20th 3, 21 4. Very good, Pallavi and Praveen. Come to the 22nd question. And 23, 24. 22, 23, 24th questions. First come to the 22nd question. Yes, contraction of which of the following smooth muscles results in the release of urine out from the urinary bladder? Okay, at the time of urination, which muscles helps for the release of the urine? Detrusor muscle. Actually, it is not there in the textbooks, but you should know this detrusor muscles that helps in the elimination of releasing of urine. Come to the 23rd question. Yes, 22 to 23. Yes, correct, Chinnu. 23. Anaerobic work become painful due to accumulation of, very important, and it is from the NCERT textbook and the state textbooks also. Why we are getting pain if we walk for several kilometers? If we walk for 500 meters, that may not give the pain. But if 5 kilometers if you walk, within 2 kilometers also, you may get the pain in your legs. What is the reason for that pain? What happens? Yes, correct. Who says Gnaneshwari? Super, it is because of the accumulation of lactic acid. Lactic acid gives the pain. That accumulated lactic acid go to the liver. For what? For it becomes converted into the glucose molecules. Cori cycle, that is. Come to the 24th. Contractile unit of muscles is a part of myofibril between. What is the contractile unit first? Then we will discuss the unit present in between. What is the contractile unit of a muscle? What is the contractile unit of a muscle? The contractile unit of muscle is called sarcomere, and the sarcomere is present between what? So here is the sarcomere, and it is Z line. It is Z line. So it is present between two Z lines. Okay, and here it is the H zone. Right? Come to the next question. 25. Here it is the 26. 27. In our app Rajesh Biology, there is Biology Today magazines are available. Biology Today magazines, you know. They are going to present our subject biology in an interesting manner, more informative also. 25. Somatic systems. Somatic neural system relays impulses from option 1. Lallu, try to mention the question number, please. Otherwise, I can't understand for which question you are saying the option. And my dear students, thanks for this much of attendance. And try to share this link in your WhatsApp contacts and in your WhatsApp status. Then your friends are also attend for this session. And definitely this session will become more interesting with your friends' attendance also. 25th question. There is 50 questions. Total question number is 50. Somatic neural system relays impulses from CNS to the skeletal muscles. 25.3, that is given by the Jnaneshwari. Very good. 26. Which of the following is not under control of human parasympathetic nervous system? Human parasympathetic nervous system. Which of the following is not under control of human parasympathetic nervous system? Sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system activates when you are in a exciting state. If you observe a snake in front of you or any miracle in front of you, our eye pupil increases in size. Okay, and our heart increases the heartbeat, respiratory rate increases. These are the sympathetic. Come to the parasympathetic, complete opposite. It makes you relax. So, what is the parasympathetic? Not under parasympathetic action. Yes, 26-4. Very good. Everybody says the right answer. Chinno and Praveen. Superb. Increased sweating is actually sympathetic nervous system. We are feeling a shivering, increased sweating. The remaining all are parasympathetic activities. Constriction of pupil, contraction of the bladder, urination, and increased in salivation. All this is నోరు తడారిపోయిందంటాం మనం టెన్షన్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు. Because in sympathetic nervous system there is no saliva. Parasympathetic nervous system more saliva is there. 27th question. Which part of brain is responsible for thermoregulation? Yes, which part of the brain is responsible for thermoregulation? Very important. In our body one part is there, pitta koncham kotaganam. It controls all the activities of the body, and it is also called thermostat of our body. Yeah, Gnaneshwari, very good. 27-2. It looked like a small batani seed, pea seed. You know pea seed, how much it is? Like this only the size, but it only controls the entire human body. That's why that is called what? Master controller. Master control is hypothalamus. Master gland is pituitary gland. Pituitary gland controls all the endocrine glands. That's why it is called master gland. But master gland is also under control of hypothalamus. So hypothalamus is master controller. Come to the 28th question. Removal of parathyroid glands can result in what? Yes, it is very interesting question. I like this type of questions. And in NC in a NEET examination, definitely there is a chance to ask this type of questions. High level applied questions or 2 to 3 chapters are mixed questions. Yeah, come to here. Lallu God is there, and some question there. Moist surface. I think it is non-keratinised stratified squamous epithelium. At that place, Lallu God is there. And the students, please click on your right side of the screen for several times. Then you will reach the current question. Now we are in the 28th question. Okay. Yes, tetani. Excellent. Ganeshwari. Tetani means low calcium level. When the low calcium levels are present in our body, if there is no parathyroid gland, only calcitonin is there, that is going to decrease the blood calcium levels. So blood calcium levels are not maintained if there is no parathormone. Very good. Tetani is the right answer. Chinnu, correct. Come to the 29th question. Prolactin is the lactotroph. Statement 2. FSH is gonadotroph. Yes. 29th question. Prolactin is a lactotroph. FSH is a gonadotroph. I think you already know about the FSH and LH. They are called gonadotrophs. because they, remember, tropho means stimulating, or it induces something. Okay, it gives stimulation. Gonadotroph, which stimulates the gonads, that is called gonadotroph. Clear? Now come to here. Yeah, Akhila, welcome. Ravikant B. Akhila, please welcome. Clear, it is tropho means stimulating. It stimulates gonads. That's why it is called gonadotrophs. Statement 2 is correct. Come to here. It stimulates the milk. Lactose sugar is there in the milk. Remember, the milk contains a sugar called lactose, and the word lactin is related to the milk only. Okay, so prolactin is definitely the lactotroph only, which stimulates the secretion of milk. So both are correct. Yes, Radha Lakiraju, perfect. And Chinnu right, 29-3 Praveen right. Come to the 30th question. In our app Rajesh Biology, there is not only the study materials for our practice, even video classes are also there for free, and all these are the video lectures. Of course, these lectures are in both Telugu and English. Explanation is there. Come to the 30th question. If over secretion of growth hormone occurs after puberty, then individual suffers from. What happens if the growth hormone increases after the puberty? Don't say that gigantism, Chinnu and Ganeshwari Praveen, don't confuse. If growth hormone increases before the puberty, the person's height is increases more than 7 feet also, that is called gigantism. But here they mention after puberty, if the growth hormone increases, that results in the acromegaly. Perfect, Ganeshwari. That results in what? Acromegaly, chimpanzee face. Acromegaly means. Okay, now come to the 31st question. Assertion. Development of embryo from the zygote is known as embryogenesis. Development of embryo from the zygote is known as what? Embryogenesis. What they are saying. Embryogenesis involves cell division and cell differentiation. That is what they said. Yes. 31, I'm asking. Yes, okay, thank you. 31-1. Correct explanation also. Akhila. And everybody says correct explanation. Embryogenesis involves cell division and cell differentiation. Correct. Because of this, development of embryo from the zygote is known as embryogenesis. No, both are correct. As per your guess, that is correct, but it is not the correct explanation. Yes, very good, Chinu. And come to the question number 32. Here is the app for the students who didn't observe our app, Rajesh Biology. In this app, there is a free tests are available. I'm going to show you how to attempt the free test in this. Okay. In this, if you click on the left upper corner, the side menu, the fourth option is the free test, and more than 20 plus tests are there. Now you can select your favorite concept for the attempt of the test. If you attempt, there is a question and 4 options. For every question, 4 marks and 1 negative mark is there, and it is maximum 30 minutes. Available time is also available for 10 minutes or 30 minutes based on the number of questions. Near to the time, there is a symbol, I symbol. That symbol is for the review. If you don't want to waste your time with that unsolved question, you can simply click on that I button and you can move to the next question. Before submitting, if you have the still time, then you can click on that purple color buttons. It will take you to the perfect respected question which you click for the review, and you can solve that. Later you can submit the exam. Immediately after the submitting exam, it will read your score, and it will show you the score and rank, how many members are attempted and what is your rank, and how much accuracy, how much time you take, which type of questions you attempt, like easy questions or tough questions or medium questions, and in which chapter you are weak. Everything along with the solutions it going to give you, and it is really an amazing experience. Please try to download and attempt the free test. You will feel really happy. You never feel regret about the free test which are available in our app, Rajesh Biology. Thank you. Come to the 32nd question. Thank you for watching this video with your patience. Come to the 32nd question. The right answer is secondary spermatocyte. Yes, in humans, at the end of the first meiotic division, the male germ cells form secondary spermatocytes. Here, 33, question number 33. Question number 33 it is. Try to solve the question number 33. Next 34. 35. The middle piece of sperm contains, it is very easy question actually. Yeah, 33, 2. Chinnu, Gnaneshwari, you are right. Mitochondria is present. 34. Hormone releasing IUD is. 34. Hormone releasing IUD is what? Yeah, LNG20. Progestin, both are hormone releasing IUDs. My dear Janeshwari, and yes. So the right answer is actually the progestin LNG20. Both are correct. Both are the hormone releasing IUDs. Yes, Chinnu, correct. And Akhila, perfect. 35. So Gnaneshwari is very quick. MTP are relatively safe up to what? Up to 12 weeks of pregnancy. Correct. That means first trimester only it is safe. And in our app Rajesh Biology, there is 70 plus test papers are available for only 100 rupees. In these two main examinations are there along with the physics and chemistry also for every exam. For example, physics section A contains 35, section B contains 15. Like the 200 questions is there for every test. That type of tests are two are available. In that also one is a 2022 NEET examination paper along with the solutions. And another one is 2023 guessing paper from the reputed institutions. Along with that, so many grant tests are available, weekend tests, and different chapter wise online tests are available. What I am already show you in the video. Come to this, there is a short term course is also available in this app. In this six chapters are completed: Kingdom Animalia, Animal Tissues, Earthworm, and Human Reproduction, Reproductive Health, Genetics, up to the Morgan experiment. All these are explained in Telugu and English. And daily test, weekend test, 3 challenging grand tests, doubt clearing sessions, and notes, mind maps, all are available for only the 900 rupees. The students who cannot afford for that, if you send me a personal message, I'll try to give you a coupon code for 400 rupees. Then it will become only 500. Come to the 36th question. Definitely, Chinnu. Actually, pedigree analysis is there in a clear explanation. Is there pedigree analysis? I think I explained in both Telugu and English also. Pedigree analysis is there in our YouTube channel. Please try to search like pedigree analysis by Rajesh Biology. If you search, definitely our video will open. Actually, that is the first or second video I done in our channel. When I create the YouTube channel, immediately I focus on the pedigree analysis only. So this is there, pedigree analysis, clear explanation, very clear cut explanation. You can simply solve all the pedigrees if you know the logarithm backside which is present on the pedigree. Yes, 36. Life originated from the, very easy question, everybody knows this, water. Still, if you add 1 drop of water to your pickle, don't add, I'm just saying as an example, if you add a 1 drop of water to the pickle, automatically within 2 to 3 days it is going to spoil, because from there the fungus life is going to originate. Water is going to spoil everything because life is originated from there only. Come to the 37th question. Yes, 37th one, that right answer first given by the Chinnu, Praveen, Janeshwari. Perfect. All the following theories were given for the origin of life except theory of panspermia, spontaneous generation, chemical evolution, for the life, evolution of life, origin of life. but Big Bang theory is the origin of universe. Very good. It is 38th question. And 39th question. Statement 1. First mammals on earth were like shrews. Okay, correct. Dryopithecus were more ape-like and Ramapithecus were more man-like primates. That is also correct. So for the 38th, what is the right answer? Both are correct. 38, 3. Come to the 39th question. Common cold is. Yes, correct, Chinnu. Common cold is what? Caused by gram-negative bacterium, not an infectious disease, caused by virus, caused by gram-positive bacterium. 39. Yeah, Gnaneshwari, 38, 3 correct. And Akhila, you are saying non-infectious. Actually, it is the most infectious disease, common cold. If our friend suffering with the cold, if you are not suffering with the cold, that means you are not close friend. Because by touching the utensils, pens, sharing the boxes, everything is the result for the common cold spread. If one person is affected in our home, automatically another person is also affected with the common cold because it is caused by the virus, viral infection it is. Yes, 39.3, Janeshwari correct and Praveen correct. Uwais Raja, welcome. After so many days later, welcome. So now come to the question number 40. For you Uwais, question number 40, assertion. The antibodies produced against allergens are IgE type. And reason actually it is, maybe the spelling mistake it is Edward Jenner is regarded father of immunology. Okay. Yes. Tell me. Akila says what? Both A and R are correct, and R is the correct explanation you are saying. Yeah, Kasmin Begum, welcome. Welcome, Kasmin Begum. And you are saying what? Both are correct, but R is not the correct explanation. Correct. What you said is right. 40th 4, Gnaneshwari correct, and Kasmin Begum right. And Chinu also, Oves Raja, super, Mr. Praveen, excellent attention. Come to the 41 question number and 42. Yes, 4 is correct. 41. Autoimmunity is caused due to the. And thank you so much for attending and try to give a single like button for this session if you really like. And a single like, single share is more than enough for my efforts. Come to the 41. We immediately enter into the 42 by skipping the 41 Chinnu. Superb. And this 42, let me check. How much is the contribution of India and China to the world's farm produce? It is actually 25%. Only 25%. That's why our Indian cow is called teacup cow. 70% cattle, 75% cattle is present in both India and China. But our product is only 25%. That means 25% world cows are going to produce the 75% milk, and the 75% Indian cows and China cows together produce only 25% milk. That's why there is a revolution. Yeah, where's Raja? Why you sorry? No problem. Come to the 41 question number. Yes, C and D. That means inability of immune cells in distinguishing the self cells from the non-self, and ability of immune cells to damage the self cells. So because of these, autoimmune diseases are there, and you should learn what are the autoimmune diseases also. Autoimmune diseases also very important. Rheumatoid arthritis, autoimmune disease. Okay, and Graves disease, autoimmune disease. Myasthenia gravis. Okay, exophthalmic goiter. That is also called a Graves' disease. Okay, okay, no problem, Chinu. Which concept, Uwais Raja? Which concept you want to clear? Like autoimmunity or please mention the question number. Phenylketonuria, PKU means. Phenylketonuria, PKU means what? Phenylketonuria. It is an example for pleiotropy. 43 question number. Phenylketonuria is not a autoimmune disease. It is a genetic disorder. 43. The right answer is yes, Praveen, correct. The right answer is 2. Rinderpest virus. Come to the 44. You think 43 one anthrax. Okay. Maybe let me check it once. Maybe I'll give you the clarity with the question number what? 43, right? So Rinderpest is a disease caused by a virus. Rinderpest is also known as cattle plague. Cattle plague is also known as what? Rinderpest. Next, come to the 44. Rannicate disease is connected with 44. Yes, 2. Hence, correct. Very good. Who says 44 2? Yeah, Akila, you are right. And Praveen, right. Question number 45. 45 and 46. Yes, Chinnu, correct. Which of the following enzymes has been incorrectly matched with their function? With their function, what they are incorrectly matched? Ligase molecular glue, that means for the attachment. Endonuclease chemical scalpel, maybe that is for the cutting. Okay, and DNA polymerase joins the nucleoside. RNA polymerase joins the nucleotides. 45 question, the right answer is no. Endonuclease functions chemical scalpel only. Scissors. Okay, but here the right answer is DNA polymerase, which is not joins the nucleosides. Okay, come to the 46. Yes, Chinnu, correct. 46. Yeah, 46. Perfect. Gnaneshwari, 46 3. In the place of G, C. In the place of A, T. In the place of A, T, A. Palindromic sequence, not in the place of actually. The same. Palindrome means what? 232. On both sides it is similar. Yes, it is very easy question. Very good always. Come to the 47. And remember, I forgot to mention previously, a new Telegram channel is created for the students because our previous Telegram channel is blocked without any intimation, and I don't know the reason also for the blocking of our previous channel. So present a new channel is there. Our app logo is the new Telegram channel DP, and present 93 I think subscribers are there. You can search as Rajesh Biology 1, then you can join in this. Yeah, palindromic sequence, very good. Come to the 47th question. Which of the following is the most important factor that would lead to increased milk yield in cattle? Yes, perfect, Naneshwari. Selection of good breeds. It is also easy question. So 48 and 49. Crystalline protein synthesized by Bacillus thuringiensis is activated by 48. Yes, everybody correct. Praveen, Ganeshwari, Uwais, Chinnu, 48. Yeah, Ganeshwari, were right. Alkaline pH in insect midgut. Excellent, excellent, Ganeshwari. And 48, 4. 49. Yeah, Chinnu says what? Gene therapy. Methods of producing microbe and pest resistant plants include. Yeah, Akila, right? Very good. Ravikant B, right? Both RNAi and use of Bt toxin. That is the right answer. Right. Last but not least, here it is the question for the students who are. Sir, can you say yes, please? Complete the question. So the students who are giving the right answer for this question number 50, they are going to get the good marks in the final examinations, whatever the exam that is. It is a YouTube tradition. As per our YouTube tradition, RNAi, ribonucleic acid. Actually, I would like to say, but the time is not sufficient now. It is almost already 8. Send me this message in our app OS. I am going to explain you about this RNAi. Yes, the last question. The students who are giving the answer, whether it is the right or wrong, no problem. But they definitely get the good marks if you attempt this. Yes, 51 they are saying, and 4 also. Praveen says 4, and Chindu Gyaneshwari they are saying 1 and 4. Let me check the question. Production of pest resistant plants could be pest resistant. That means if the plants have the ability to resist the pest, what happens? We never use the pesticides. We don't need to use the weedicides. We can decrease the amount of pesticide used. If we produce plants which have the pest resistant ability, so we can simply decrease the amount of pesticides used. So the right answer is what? 353. Correct. Very good. Chinu and the remaining all the students. Thank you so much for all the students like Chinnu, Gnaneshwari, Uwais, Akila, Ravikant, Kazmin Begum, Chinnu, Gnaneshwari, and Praveen, and for all the students who are attending and make this session successful with your presence and your shares and likes. Thank you so much, each and every student, Radha Lakraju, Lallegundi, um, for everyone. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. We will meet tomorrow. I'm going to announce the next live session. But be prepared from today onwards. All are full syllabus tests only. Grand tests. Okay. Most of the grand tests only I'll select. Yes, Akila, all the live classes what we conduct already previously, all are available in our app Rajesh Biology. Open the playlist NEET 2023. NEET 2023 is the playlist name. In that chapter wise questions are there. In every quiz, 50 questions and respected answers for some questions. Solutions are also I show you. Yeah, always I am present in Karnataka state. TSR AP. I didn't understand. Yeah, Karnataka. 50th 3, correct? So thank you so much. I'm from Karnataka now. Always. See you. Have a nice day. We will meet tomorrow.